Brad Williams, Excel primed. Expand the 6-row by 3-column list down to a 12-row by 3-column list. We're going to use this expand function. We're going to throw in a number of different arguments. We're going to pad this thing. In short, we're adding a 6 by 3 list. When you're setting this up, be careful here. Notice we have B5 to D16. We recognize this list, but then we extend this thing all the way down to 16. This is being read as though this is one solid block. We need to change this in order to recognize the padding, because we're not padding anything. Without padding, and we extend our expand past row 6, we're going to see NA errors. But we included this pad, but the problem is when I put this together, I extended this a little too far. I change it to D10, and there is the proper layout. Expand just increases the cells. If we wanted to stretch this thing out further, we could go out. This third argument is columns. Number 2 is row. The first is the array. Recognize we're just identifying 3 columns, but if we can go out to 4, you can see what's going to happen here. You can see this went out to 4. Here's the write-up. Read the narrative. Take a look at this anatomy, modify it. Just like I did, change it up. If you don't like this F9 stuff, get rid of it. Mix it up a little bit. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.